Hello and welcome to the LittleGasthaus. We arrived in Spain on Thursday. We left the week before on Friday, so it took us about 5 days coming down here to Spain. We had some problems on the way. That will be uh, in another video. I will talk about that. And well, I got my tires on. That was 2 days before we left Germany, so it was time. Otherwise, there would be problems. There was a problem with the regular tire. But we took the toll roads. They are not as high. It's a valley of a river actually, and that's doesn't have that slope up and down like the other one through the mountains. So, and there was no problem with the ice or snow. But when we arrived here, we had some rain, some heavy rains, rain all night. It rains all night the last 2 days, and well, we expect more rain this week, and see if it's getting any better. Temperatures are okay. It's like 16 degrees Celsius. Uh, I guess probably around 60 degrees, 65, no, 60 degrees. Okay, that's it so far. We the spot is pretty filled up. We got one of the last spaces, so there are a lot of Germans because they got regularly they stay on a different campsite, and they closed that because a lot of the things they put up there were illegal. So they just started last year putting up 50, uh, 50 lock houses for renting out, and that was illegal. So they closed down the whole thing, and now they're uh, looking all over for new places to stay. So we got in the neighborhood, we got about 8 sites with Germans, and well, it's quite a bit, and not everybody like the Germans. So I I will keep my mouth shut. Oh, it's okay. Oh well, if there are more news, I will come back when I get busy with the smoker box. I will come back, and well, I have to tell the story on the while we drove down here and the trouble I had. Okay, thanks for watching, and bye to the next, or yeah, till the next video. Okay, bye bye.